Okay, I'm going to do a very quick overview, and it's just essentially a duplication of what is documented in the text and the information provided in the lecture. And so, just to show you the features that's being referred to. So, within the lecture, the first thing that was discussed was to search diffuse large B cell lymphoma. And you can type out the whole word, or it's much quicker to use the abbreviation that was documented within the body of the text. As you look through the document, you'll see the very first item is your diffuse large B cell lymphoma, and it actually has your morphology code here. This part is your histology, and of course, it's invasive. It's a 3. Okay. So if you click on this, the other item said to search that particular data item by clicking on it, and it comes up with a whole bunch of additional information that helps guide you in what you need to do to abstract the case and to get the appropriate primary site. So the first thing it tells you is it's reportable, and it tells you in order to select the primary site, you're going to use the abstractor notes and module 7. What's documented here is the year, because the rules change by year and there's some differences based on the year. And you also, the year is important because oftentimes there are cases that are found that are pre-2018 and the rules are very different for pre-2018. So you want to make sure that this helps guide you by having you select the year first so that it pulls up the right instructions for you. As you can see, for this particular case, grade is not applicable. And for most of the 2018 and forward cases, there is no grade for those cases. But grade is still included because it is applicable for those cases, for certain cases, and for those that are pre 2018. Then it also shows you, tells you what modules to go to within the module rules. So it's told you to use module 6 here, module 7 for the primary site, and then other module rules are here. It tells you the alternate names. It provides a definition. It gives you some background. It provides abstractor notes. Essentially, it provides you with information about things that are important to be collected and little things that you should pay attention to, and where this particular disease usually occurs. It also tells you the definitive diagnostic methods that are used. So, and essentially some of the genetic data that you may be looking for. And it also specifies treatments, immunophenotyping, there's no transformations to, but these diseases can transform from, you can get diffuse large B-cell lymphoma from these diseases. And then it also tells you what are the same primary codes. Signs and symptoms, the diagnostic exams that are done. So this is the important information that you know should be captured in your text and so forth. And then a little bit of other things and the sources. Okay, so it's told you to go to module 7. You'll find module 7 the in the manual. And so I was down here at module 7 already. So let's just go here in the index here, and we're gonna, these are hyperlinked. So if it tells you to go to module 7 for coding of the primary site, you just click here. If you look up here, your histology code is going to be, histology morphology code is going to be in this combination because this is where it told you to go. And you can't get around reading the instructions for identifying the primary site. So you just have to read the information and then select the one that matches your case based on the description. And based on the description of where your lymphoma is located, it tells you how to code the primary site. Okay, and so that's just a general overview of how you use the Hematopoietic database and the manual. Okay, and this is just the same thing that the text, the information within the text tells you and within the lecture notes. Have a good day.